All aboard the car ferry. Understanding the phrase, car ferry. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of transportation and exploring the term, car ferry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. A car ferry is a compound noun, made up of two words, car and ferry. 1. Car. This is a common term that you're likely familiar with. It refers to a road vehicle, typically with 4 wheels, designed for the transport of 1 to 8 people. 2. Ferry. A boat or ship used to carry people, goods, and often, vehicles, across a body of water, especially over a relatively short distance. So, when combined, the term, car ferry, refers to a specific type of ferry that is designed to transport cars, and often their passengers, across bodies of water. You might be wondering, why not just drive around or build a bridge? Well, car ferries serve several purposes. 1. Convenience. In many places, taking a car ferry can be a shortcut, helping drivers avoid long detours. 2. Islands. Some destinations, like islands, might not be connected by roads. Car ferries are essential for residents and visitors to move vehicles to and from such places. 3. Economic. Building a bridge, especially over vast stretches of water, can be costly and environmentally impactful. A car ferry service can be a more feasible solution. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples of how you might use car ferry in sentences. 1. We took the car ferry to cross the lake instead of driving around it. 2. The car ferry service operates every 2 hours from the mainland to the island. 3. Ensure you arrive early to get a spot on the car ferry, especially during the summer months. And there you have it. Now you know what a car ferry is, why they're used, and how to include the term in sentences. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Safe travels!